Welcome, in front of me I have Battlefield 6, and in this open game beta I can show you how to adjust the control settings such as the hold to sprint or toggle to crouch. So enjoy watching this short tutorial. At first you should open the settings by using this gear icon here. In the accessibility tab you should scroll down and find the controls options. Press here on hold toggle. In these settings we have a lot of features that we can switch on or off or adjust to our preferences while playing this awesome game. If you wish to see the most important features, then you should stay with me. The first option, infantry sprint, you should choose if you want to click or hold for the button to activate infantry sprint. I like it to be like hold, but you can choose whatever you want. Double tap forward sprint, you have option to switch it off, sprint or auto sprint, crouch toggle sprint, stand or crouch slide. You can choose it of course in a few ways, double tap crouch for sprint slide, and there is a lot of options that you should stay for a little while and read all of this, then decide which option you want to use for your best game experience. That would be all for the control settings. I think you should do this by yourself because there are no good and bad choices. It's all about what you like and how you used to play the FPS games. If you like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channels to see some more content from the Battlefield 6 and other games, or if you want just see some more tutorials from the mobile devices. Goodbye and see you again!